Social media and mental health. Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your phone before you even get out of bed. Notifications are waiting. Messages, likes, comments, and endless scrolling begin before the day truly starts. For millions of people, especially students and young adults, this has become a daily routine. But what is this constant connection doing to our mental health? Social media platforms were originally designed to connect people. They allow us to share moments, stay in touch with friends, and express ourselves. In many ways, social media has made communication faster and easier than ever before. It can help people find communities, receive emotional support, and feel less alone. For some, especially those who feel isolated in real life, social media can be a lifeline. However, the story does not end there. As social media use has increased, concerns about mental health have grown as well. Studies show a strong connection between heavy social media use and higher levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. One key reason is comparison. On social media, people usually share their best moments, not their struggles. When users constantly compare their own lives to these carefully selected images, they may feel inadequate or left behind. Another major factor is the pressure to be constantly available. Likes, comments, and views can start to feel like measures of personal value. When a post receives little attention, it can lead to disappointment or self-doubt. Over time, this external validation can affect self-esteem, especially in teenagers whose identities are still developing. Social media can also interfere with sleep and concentration. Late-night scrolling exposes the brain to bright screens and emotional stimulation. This makes it harder to fall asleep and get enough rest. Lack of sleep, in turn, has a direct impact on mood, memory, and emotional control. The result is a cycle that can slowly damage mental well-being. Cyberbullying is another serious issue. Unlike traditional bullying, online harassment can happen anytime and anywhere. Hurtful comments or messages can spread quickly and remain visible for a long time. For victims, this constant exposure can lead to fear, loneliness, and even long-term psychological harm. But it is important to remember that social media itself is not the enemy. The problem lies in how we use it. Mindful use can make a significant difference. Setting time limits, turning off unnecessary notifications, and taking regular breaks can reduce stress. Following positive and supportive accounts instead of harmful ones can also improve online experiences. Education plays a key role as well. Students need digital literacy skills to understand how social media algorithms work. Knowing that content is designed to keep users engaged helps people take online experiences less personally. Open conversations about mental health can also reduce stigma and encourage people to seek help when needed. So what is the real challenge of social media in today's society? It is learning how to stay connected without losing ourselves. Social media should be a tool that serves human well-being, not a force that controls it. The question is not whether we should quit social media completely. The real question is how we can use it wisely, intentionally, and humanely. Because in the end, our mental health matters more than any number of likes.